Buksan po natin ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 12 verses 38 to 50. Verse 38. Then some of the scribes and Pharisees answered, saying, Teacher, we want to see a sign from you. But he answered and said to them, An evil and adulterous generation seeks after a sign, and no sign will be given to it except the sign of the prophet Jonah. For as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the great fish, so will the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. The men of Nineveh will rise up in the judgment with this generation and condemn it, because they repented at the preaching of Jonah, and indeed a greater than Jonah is here. The queen of the south will rise up in the judgment and with this generation and condemn it, for she came from the ends of the earth to hear the wisdom of Solomon, and indeed a greater than Solomon is here. When an unclean spirit goes out of a man, he goes through dry places seeking rest and finds none. Then he says, I will return to my house from which I came. And when he comes, he finds it empty, swept and put in order. Then he goes and takes with him 7 other spirits more wicked than himself. And they enter and dwell there, and the last state of that man is worse than the first. So shall it also be with this wicked generation. While he was still talking to the multitude, behold, his mother and brothers stood outside, seeking to speak with him. Then one said to him, Look, your mother and your brothers are standing outside, seeking to speak with you. But he answered and said to the one who told him, Who is my mother, and who are my brothers? And he stretched out his hands towards his disciple and said, Here are my mother and my brothers, for whoever does the will of my Father in heaven is my brother and sister and mother. So maraming mga Hudyo naniwala din at sumampalataya kay Kristo. Sabi nga sa John chapter 8 verse 7 verse 31, pagdating ng Kristo, gagawa ba siya ng mas maraming tanda kaysa taong ito? Kahit sa kapanganakan niya, sabi ng wise man from the east, Where is he who has been born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star in the east and have come to worship him. Ano naman sinabi ng anghel sa shepherd? For there is to you this day in the city of David a Savior, who is Christ the Lord. At marami pang iba, ngunit marami pa rin humihingi ng tanda. At sa panahon ni Pablo sa 1 Corinthians, nakalagay, For Jews request a sign. Sa panahon natin, minamaliit nila ang pagka-Diyos ni Kristo. Maraming pagdududa sa kasaysayan ng buhay ng ating Diyos. Iba walang pakialam sa Biblia. Binulag ng Diyos ng mundong ito ang mga mata at isipan nila. Sa mga nagdududa pa rin sa pagtutol ninyo sa impluensya ng banal na espiritu, sa katotohanan na maraming binago na makasalanan sa pagtanggi ninyo sa Ebanghelyo, titigas lalo ang inyong puso at mabubulag ang inyong isipan. Ang inyong kaluluwa ay lalong mapasailalim ng kapangyarihan ng dyablo. Sa verse 43, pilit mo na inaalis ang masamang gawain mo, pero hindi mo nahugasan ng banal na dugo ng ating Panginoon Hesus at ng banal na Espiritu. Babalik din ang dati mong gawi at magdadala ang kalaban ng mas marami pang masasamang espiritu sa buhay mo. Tandaan natin, ang pagkabuhay ni Jesus ay ang pinakadakilang milagro na nangyari. Tinalo niya ang death and hell. Kung may kabigatan ka sa inyong kasalanan, may imbitasyon si Jesus nang sinabi niya, Come to me, all you who labor and heavy laden, and I will give you rest.